Hey everyone, it's Amy Nakos. I have Candice Day here.
Hello.
Okay, we are diving into statistics, and we think you can see our screen here. This is a program we have called Green Lights, and we've been talking kind of all morning this morning about how can we explain what's happening in our marketplace with what we're seeing. So we've just been seeing average prices going up with median going down. But what we're experiencing in the marketplace is like a real softening of the market, right, Candice?
Yeah, definitely. We feel it in the sentiment and we see it in our contract prices.
We just weren't seeing it in the numbers. So we're diving deep, and here's what we're going to show you today. I'll do my best I think you can see my cursor here, but what we have right now is this is Summit County. So we're doing all of Summit County, all property types. So we're doing residential property types. And this is year to date. So we're looking year to date up through May 1st. Today's May 1st, and comparing it to other years. So one of the things we're seeing here, median sale price is down 10%. We're also seeing that the percentage over asking, it's really under asking. We're getting negative 2.34. So, more than 2% below list price. Our sales volume is up. We're seeing more of a sales volume, but new listings, gosh, a lot of new listings. That's what we're seeing. We're seeing a lot more competition in the marketplace, bringing up the days on the market, 46 up from 26 last year. All right, look at this chart. This is where we're sensing that there is softening in the market. Candice, you want to chat about this?
Yeah. So this breaks down single family, which is the top line, townhomes, which is the middle line, and condos, which is the bottom line. And so we're seeing a drop in all three. Obviously, in the condos at a lower price, it's a little bit less. But in our year-to-date data, we're back to 2023 levels or even lower than 2023 levels. So when we have clients wanting to get higher prices, the data is showing us that we're really kind of moving backwards in our pricing.
That's right. A lot of people use 2022 as their benchmark for when they had the best price on their house, where Zillow was saying it was the highest, where they were looking at their neighbors selling. This was kind of when we were getting the highest prices. You can see we dipped a little bit here. Obviously, we do have some homes that pull up the average. So, 24 did look to be a little bit better in these numbers, but we had a lot of new construction pulling this up. And now you can see this year already so far, we're seeing a softening in those prices. So there's a phone call. We will let that go. All right. We also think that this chart down here is really telling. So back in 2021 and 22, when the market was pretty hot from COVID, you can see that our days on market was four days on the market, and people were paying 1% over. Remember also at this time, interest rates were low, like
three, 3%.
2 to 3%. That'll what?
That's a dream today.
It's a dream. It's a dream. It didn't happen. Look at the number of sales we had, 2,100. Like we're half of that. You'll see the median sale was 850, average 1.1. So the prices were still a little bit lower. They continued to go up, but we're dropping again. Numbers are dropping again. So median, we're down 100,000, right? Like that's 10%.
Yeah.
So our median sales down 10%, average up. This is what is confusing the marketplace, because the average is going up. We just have more high price properties selling, or much higher luxury homes. It's pulling that up. Look at this square footage price, 813 down to 783.
Yeah.
What's that percent, Candice, my engineer friend? I don't know. And here's one more thing. We've got about 30 seconds left in this video, but median days on market, 46.
Yes.
We're going to do another video where we're going to show incoming properties and stuff. But bottom line is that we got 200 new listings in April.
It's right? About a quarter of our inventory.
1/4 of our inventory is new in April, and we only had 100 sales. So we're going to see inventory collect, probably some more price softening. So wait for our next video. Thanks for joining us.